Friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So today I am going to show you how the staff handle customer, how he can edit customer file number in this video. So have a look. So from the HR management, go to the employee list and you can see here employee form. So I have created one employee. After that, from the group management, you can create the group and assign staff from that group. So I have created one South region group and assign that staff Ram to that group. After that, in HR management, go to the access control list and have a look how many access I had given. So customer create access, edit customer and search customer. So in this scenario, if the staff login, then is it possible to him to edit the customer file number? Let's try. I have created one customer and assigned to the Ram. So this customer is assigned to the Ram. So just sign out from here and log in from staff ID. Now from this staff, let's search customer and now try to edit customer file number. Now from here, that staff is not able to edit this file number. So in this case, we have to give access edit file number to that particular staff. So just sign out from here and relogin from admin profile. Now from the HR management, go to the access control list and select one staff. After that, select option edit file number. Here is the option edit file number and add to this user access. So now the Ram can edit file number of customer from their login. So just log out from here and log into the staff ID. Now search for customer and here is the edit option. Now file number 3 is there. Now see, we can edit this file number, means the staff can edit this file number and save. And now search from file number 4 and you can see the file number is changed to 4, Smita Shah. So this type you can use Jainam Software. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube and subscribe our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.